Welcome back for another simple recipe. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of the chicken that we've already cooked off. We've done a couple recipes with chicken, so cooking a little extra and having it in the fridge helps you for the next day. So we've got chicken here. The other thing we have is this quinoa that's already cooked. There's lots of different varieties that they already have in the grocery store. I suggest using it, makes your life really easy. We're gonna mix that with some of the chicken in here. And then the other thing we're gonna add is feta cheese. So we bought crumbled because it makes life easy. We're gonna add some crumbled feta cheese to it. Okay. Now if you notice, we're not telling you guys to measure it out because maybe you like more cheese, maybe you like more chicken. And it depends, if you're trying to lose weight, maybe you go away from some of the cheese. So we've got a nice little mix there. And the last ingredient we have is zucchini. And so what we're gonna do with the zucchini is cut them on a bias, meaning cut them nice into discs on a bias so you get a longer piece. And these can be longer or shorter. So I'm gonna show you kind of smaller pieces here. And then I'm gonna take another zucchini and show you, you can also do this much larger pieces by cutting it on a bias like that. And once you get a little further down at the zucchini, you'll have real nice pieces, substantial pieces to use. Like so. Now this is gonna get baked in the oven, so what we have here is just a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna take the zucchini and just brush the zucchini, flip it over. Each one, I'm just gonna brush a little bit with some olive oil and flip them over. I'll move the bowl so the camera can see what I'm doing. And the same. So we've got some different sizes here, depending, maybe you're feeding children, maybe you're feeding yourself. So then we'll brush the tops as well, a little bit of olive oil. So we're gonna continue brushing our zucchini on both sides. And once we get enough zucchini that we're ready to feed the family or just yourself, what you want to do is just season them up with a little bit of salt and some pepper. And I know a lot of people are like, wow, that's heavy-handed with the salt, but unfortunately food doesn't really come seasoned, so you've got to spend a little time and some love on it. A little bit of pepper on there. And then inside the bowl of the entire mixture here, we've got the quinoa, we've got chicken, and we've got feta cheese. And so then all we're gonna do is, this is probably one of the simplest recipes that we're gonna make today, is we're gonna take that little bit of mixture right on top of the zucchinis and just, some of it's fallen off, but that's okay. And then what we can do is then get ready, and we're gonna preset an oven to about 350, 375 degrees, and then we're gonna bake these in the oven. Lots of protein in this meal, really simple to do. Everything can be ready before you get home from work. You just come home and all you have to do is put the finalizing touches on there and put it in the oven. Okay, our zucchinis were in the oven for about 15 minutes, so now everything's nice and warm, ready to eat. It looks a beautiful dish. And if you're interested in more recipes, please check out our next video.